done, but they've been nice to me. Oh, they've helped me. My bathroom, and then they helped me. Put me a hot water tank in. They did lots of nice things for me.
They are, I wouldn't even have a home if it wasn't for them. I wouldn't. I mean, we just didn't have enough pots and pans for all the holes in the roof, all the water in the house. And they came out and put a roof on. So, I don't know which one's the nicest, the volunteers or the guys that work there. They're just...
Since the passing of my husband, I've been very fortunate to have people like PWC helping me, and I couldn't have done a lot of things without them. Everyone that has been here has always been very kind and nice, and I enjoy having them in my home. And I tell anyone, if they need help and you can't afford to pay, like most of us can't, especially right now, call PWC.